Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone, I'm Via Pramesti, and on this occasion, I will explain you about some detail about the country of Brazil. Check it out. Okay, Brazil, with the official name of the Federative Republic of Brazil, is the largest country in South America and in Latin America. Brazil is the fifth largest and seventh most populous country in the world. It is the country on the South America continent and is bounded by Andes Mountains and the Atlantic Oceans. Okay, the next is the basic knowledge of Brazil. So, the capital city of Brazil is Brasilia, and the official language is Portuguese. The Brazilian people use Portuguese as their language in daily life. And then the population is more than 210 million people, and the width of area is approximately 8.5 million square kilometers. And then currency is Brazilian real, and the form of government is Federal Republic. Okay, the next is the traditional dress of Brazil. As you can see on the picture, the traditional dress is called Baiana dress. The Baiana dress originates from the region of Bahia, and some women in that area still wear the dress on a regular basis. The dress is made out of breathable fabric with beautiful embroidery called bordado. The shirt is round and long, down to the ankles. Women also wear a white turban on their heads, bed necklace, and a long colored shawl. The Baiana dress inspired by Carmen Miranda custom. The next is culture and tradition. The first one, religion and belief. Religion is important in Brazil, as 80% of the country's population is affiliated with a religion. The symbol of Brazil's religious affiliation is the colossal statue of Christ the Redeemer that stands on the summit of Mount Corcovado, in one of the country's most famous cities, Rio de Janeiro. Number 2 is language. Portuguese is the national language in Brazil and is spoken by 99% of the population, make it one of the strongest elements of national unity. The third is celebration. The Brazilian Carnival is one of the country's most distinct ceremonies. Carnival is an annual ceremony celebrated all over the country 46 days before Easter as a form of farewell to bad omens and repentance before the death and resurrection of Jesus. And this video, the example of the carnival in Brazil. And the next is food. One common dish is feijoada, as you can see at the picture, which was introduced by African slave Vera Kibeh from the Middle East, and coxinha, a common street food. And then is cultural etiquette in Brazil. Brazilians are known for their warmth and friendliness. In Brazil, you should do when meeting someone for the first time. A firm handshake, a hug, or a kiss on the cheek is common, even between men. Maintain eye contact during greeting to show respect and interest. And avoid standing too far away or being overly reserved when meeting people. Also refrain from using formal title unless explicitly request, as Brazilians tend to be informal and prefer a friendly approach. As a matter of fact, Brazilians call everyone by their first name: teachers, bosses, doctor-in-laws. And Brazilian will often touch you when speak to you and hug you and kiss you when saying hi or goodbye. This is common for them even if this is the first time they have seen you. If you do not feel comfortable with that, just keep a distance and extend your hand in advance for a handshake to avoid hugs and kisses. And then is when dining and visiting people. Embrace the culinary delight Brazil has to offer and enjoy communal meals with locals. When invited to someone's home, it is polite to bring a small gift such as flower, chocolate, or bottle of wine. If you are invited to an informal party of barbecue, bring a multi-pack beer. During meals, remember to compliment the chef. And avoid starting to eat before the host begins or leaving the table immediately after finishing your meal. Additionally, in restaurant, tipping is generally not expected in Brazil, as a 10% service charge is often included in the bill. And then is the rule about language and communication. While Portuguese is the official language, learning a few basic phrases can go a long way in showing respect to the locals. Brazilians appreciate effort to communicate with their language. Use friendly and open body language, as gesture play an essential role in the conversation. Avoid making negative remarks about Brazil or its people. Please refrain from using Spanish phrases, as Portuguese and Spanish, while similar, are distinct languages, and Brazilians take pride in their linguistic identity. And then is rules about dress code in Brazil. Brazil's climate can vary significantly depending on the region, but generally the dress code is a relaxed and casual, like breathable clothing is suitable for most occasions. Beachwear is acceptable at the beach, but always use some clothes on top of it in public space. In Rio de Janeiro, it is socially acceptable to wear flip-flops anywhere. And avoid wearing revealing clothing when visiting churches or religious sites. Also leave expensive jewelry and accessories at home to minimize the rise of theft. And then is about celebrations and festivals. Join in on Brazil's vibrant celebrations and festivals such as Carnival. Participate with enthusiasm and immerse yourself in the local culture. Enjoy the music, dance, and festivities that make Brazil unique. And avoid inappropriate behavior during festivities and be mindful of personal belonging in crowded place. Respect local custom and ritual even if you do not fully understand them. Okay, so that was my explanation about the country of Brazil. It turned out Brazil is an interesting country, right? Okay, so that's all for me. Thanks for your attention. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.